Hello friends, today in this video we'll be adding a buzzer to my Betaflight FPV drone. It's a 3-inch drone. This buzzer is an active type buzzer, so it has two pins which connects to the two pins provided on the flight controller. So right now I am soldering the terminals with silicone wires. These are 28 gauge wires, silicone wires. I removed the original wires which were quite heavy. So it is done. I have also added two heat shrink tubes, as you can see, and then we have covered those terminals. So once terminals are done, we are checking the connectivity by connecting to a battery. So these are the ports that I said, that the BZ minus and the BZ plus, which connects to the buzzer on the flight controller. Yeah, and here we have, it's 1 gram, so which is actually good. So now we are going to solder those two wires onto the two ports, that is a BZ plus and a BZ minus. So this Speedybee F405 mini flight controller, it provides these buzzer ports, and the buzzer ports are actually special pins. They have the transistors as switches, which allows the buzzer to draw more current. It draws a lot of current. So yeah, so as you can see, I am close to completing the solder. So you need to apply some flux, and the solder pads are quite close to each other and it's difficult to get it clean. So we add some flux and then some solder to the pads before connecting the wires. Yeah, so after like connecting this or soldering the wire, so right now I am checking for any spare leftover solder which may connect the two ports and cause a short circuit. So yeah, I'm using the multimeter to check any short circuit between the two ports or any nearby pins, and it seems fine. So I'm done soldering the two wires to the port, and then you can see I have placed the buzzer on the rear side of the frame. I simply glued the buzzer to the frame. It's a easy way. Use some super glue for that, and then it's ready. And you can see these two wires, the red and black wire, connecting the buzzer to the flight controller. Yeah, so this concludes our video on how to add a buzzer to our drone.